Sridevi, husband is into business. We're married for 20 years.
Okay.
And he's running 2-3 businesses. And I'm running a business for about 15 years now. I have 2 daughters. And I have a lot of interest in music, arts, dramatics. Learned it for more than 8 to 10 years, but I don't think I'm continuing anything on arts. I appreciate arts, and I have ingrained quite a lot of arts into my daughter. And I have writing abilities in Tamil which I'm not exploring. I have deep interest in literature, and besides, I'm very intensely involved in whatever I do. And I can shell a lot of energy out 18-19 hours a day and still be very calm, poised, and be happy about that. Whatever I do, it can be cooking, it can be doing anything, small little things to bigger things. I like intense involvement. Financial abundance without any effort. Clarity on what I should do for social contribution, and I should be able to have all the kind of support and just do it. And intense personal life, 10 times, 20 times more deeper than whatever I have reached. I find I have a lot of difficulty in understanding people's, when they say something, what they actually say. I have difficulties in those areas. I don't know. And I have never bothered to, get deeper into that and understand what they say. I just take it at what they say and then do. So I have a conflict there. I don't want conflict. I want crystal clarity and that flow. You know that you're progressing and progressing. I'm used to not defining outcomes.
That's okay.
No vision at all. See, these are all my definite drawbacks. Okay? Lack of crystal clear clarity, too much confidence. Very dangerous. Okay? I've lived a very dangerous combination. So I need clarity in all the areas. Just because I am traveling deeper, I should not put every other life into travel. I've done enough of it. Limited period of time, but yes. Financial abundance, I should tell you. Work, not with the intention of, making money. My daughter's well-being and my they're largely upset with me. Though 15 years of whatever I did, 15 or 16 or 17 years of whatever I did, they're not able to realize. There should be a strong source of supply for them from me.
Okay. What about your relationships with your husband?
I should definitely have a very good relationship with him, but that should not be an obstacle for whatever my journey is. See, I came with a certain objectives, okay, and there was surprising awareness. I was not aware of myself, what exactly was going on. Okay, there was significant change in the first meeting, and in the program too. And after the program also certain things popped up from within me. It was like layer by layer came out, and I found solutions.
I was not in touch with myself, okay, for various reasons, for various things that happened. And I started being in touch with myself. I don't know how it happened, but I could see that perspective and behavior change in all the three areas that I spoke. There are changes from me with my daughter and with my husband. There are behavioral changes. And there is a conversation between me and my husband now. There's a little small things which I did. Small things. Yeah, I started creating good memories. That's something very significant. My younger daughter was in the college. I went there for some parent-teacher meeting. Then I pulled her out of the college and I said, now we will have something in the restaurant. I hardly come to your college. Let this be a memorable day. I'll take you. Let's spend some time here for 45 minutes and let's remember that. If there is anything that I don't keep it to myself, it's like my maid is not doing her work properly, or my daughter is not waking up on time. I used to swallow it and go. How much can you swallow? Small things, you just express it then and there. You don't silently take it. That was a significant change. In business also, thought level change. Earlier in business, I used to wonder what did I do wrong, what more I have to improvise. And probably I'll take 95% of the result responsibility on myself. It's like I will not allow the other side of the coin to perform to get the results. My approach towards or feeling towards the business has changed a little. Definitely, I have a positive feel towards it. Results have to happen. I got a new employee who can work from home, which was not happening earlier. We set a target only for December 31st to get that person. But we already there, she's employed and she started working. So that's a significant change. There were 2-3 blocks that we had with clients that we cleared. I have clarity. I really have some clarity in different areas of my life. It can be business, it can be my relationship with my mother-in-law, it can be about what I'm expecting out of my life. There is definitely clarity. A lot of people who saw me, there was significant change in the way I dressed up and looked. That definitely happened, yes.
ஊரடங்கும் சாமத்துல நான் உறங்கும் நேரத்துல காற்றை போல வந்து தொட்டதாரு காதல் தீயை நெஞ்சில் இட்டதாரு ஊரடங்கும் சாமத்துல